Hi, welcome to my first unboxing video for the Cricut Joy. This is my first Cricut device I've ever tried. I got this for Christmas, so let's begin. So I'm pretty sure this color is the mint. So we open the box. Ooh, so we got the Cricut device itself. Little card. Some wires and some more wires. A power brick and a pen. So that's about it in the box. So we have the actual Cricut, or the actual Cricut Joy. A Cricut pen. Not sure what this is, but and a power bar or power brick. And a little like an envelope that says like "Open me." So open it up and so it says let's get started. Looks like some setup instructions. Piece of material of some sort. Piece of material of another sort. The cutting pad. And some legal stuff. So I don't think we need that. We got the actual Cricut Joy. It's wrapped in plastic. So let's remove the plastic. Need something sharp. Oink. So I removed the plastic, and how does this work? I have no idea. Oh, it opens up. Piece of styrofoam. Oh, this is the blade. Yeah, I guess I'll plug this in and we'll try to make something, or whatever the sample is. It's got the power bar. Just go untwine these wires. Untwine these wires. So it's plugged in and there's a light on top that's flashing white. So yeah, let's look at the manual. So go to Cricut.com. Open the Cricut Design Space app. Choose your device when prompted. Cricut Joy for me. Over here, I hit the wrong button. I hit machine selection. What I want to hit is machine setup. So yeah, hit machine setup. Pick your device, Cricut Joy. Hit the connect button. Your device will try to find the machine via Bluetooth. When it finds it, there we go. Click on the machine. It'll add it, or I guess sync it to your device, and then your device needs to update the Cricut Joy. So I sped this up. And there it goes. Go 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 go. So then we hit the activate button. Oh yeah, sorry, accept the terms and conditions, and then hit the activate button. It's activated. Hit continue. I'll do the trial later. Test the cut. I'm gonna pick the bear picture. Watch this little screen. So you gotta make sure the cutter is loaded, and then after the cutter is loaded, we swipe right, and then gotta load the vinyl. I sped this up also. Then hit go. And then once you hit the go button, the Cricut machine will go to work and start cutting your image in the vinyl. And it'll show the progress. So I sped this up as well. Then afterwards, when it tells you to unload, you can unload. Hit the unload button and you're done. Your vinyl should be cut. And there you go. You just peel the vinyl off. You peel your cutting out of the vinyl, and you're done. The smart vinyl. So it's telling me to insert it into the machine, line it up with the two notches, and just slide it in. Oh, okay. It's like sucking it in. Oh, it's doing something. What's the next step? Go on the iPad app. Cut in progress. Yeah, like it's doing something. Oh, it's... Huh, it's done. Unload. And I'm not sure you can see that, but it cut out a bear. And I guess I could just like peel it off slowly. Oh, oh. And there you have it. I guess I just cut out possibly a grizzly bear from the smart vinyl. It seems like I wasted a lot of material doing so, but yeah, I got a smart bear, or a bear. And I guess I could like stick this onto something. I don't have anything right now to stick this on, but yeah, I guess you get the idea. So you stick your material inside the device, it'll do its cutting, and there you have it, the Cricut Joy. Yeah, so this is just like paper. The other material that came with the box is just like paper, and then you got your cutting pad, and that's that. Well, this may not have been the best video, but thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.